Welcome to the UnFranchise.com ordering process. In UnFranchise.com, you do have some fantastic widgets available, some of which are related to the ordering process. Your Welcome tab shows recent orders. You can also, if you know the product code, add them to your order directly right here. 13009, quantity 1, add to cart. And as we scroll up, we see that there is now one item in our cart. BV/IBV placement allows you to see your current designated placement ID, and if they're invalid, it will tell you so you can make changes there and not have volume defaulting to your 001 because it was improperly placed. You also have the Buy Again option. You can customize your widgets with this Settings tab. We'll talk about that in a different video. I've arranged these just for this video. Obviously, there are other great widgets that you want to have available also. The search bar at the top of UnFranchise.com will search products and also support materials. If we type OPC3, we see the resources, information about OPC3, support materials readily available. If you are a Nutrimetrics consultant or health professional, you will see the Nutrimetrics codes before you see the normal codes. When you click on an item, you are taken to that product page where many more details are available. You can add them to your auto ship or your list, or you can simply add them to your cart. You can also select ordering, order products, to be taken to the product ordering screen. This bar across the top allows you to browse the different stores, or you can type codes and enter them right there. You can change the ship to country. However, if you do have items already in your cart and you change the country, it will clear your cart and you'll need to start over. Let's type shave in the search bar and see what results we get. We have multiple types of options. This one has only IBV, so we can add directly to the cart right here. Some items have BV or IBV, so you can't directly add to the cart. You would need to view details to select which of the options you'd like to add. We're going to go with the BV option. The page will refresh. Now with BV selected, adding to cart is available. When you're ready, click the shopping cart in the top right to review your cart and proceed to checkout. You can add trial size samples and or isotonics cups and catalogs to your cart very easily. When ordering products for yourself, the default address is yours and is pre-selected. You can also enter a completely separate address to have items shipped to a specific address. The other option is to select a preferred customer. When you select a preferred customer from this drop-down list, this is what we call a drop ship, and it will create a receipt for that customer for purposes of your Form 1000. If you are drop shipping to a preferred customer, you probably want to include a packing slip that does not include the pricing. Switching this back to shipping to ourselves, we can of course change the contact information if we'd like. We can choose whether we want a packing slip with pricing or not. And when you're ready, continue checkout. BV and IBV placement allows you to specifically place the volume where you wish within your organization. If you are using this volume to count for your monthly accrual option criteria or for your quarterly requirements, or to qualify a business development center, then you might want to place it in your 001 BDC. Otherwise, you probably don't want to place the volume in your 001 because you don't want it to be quote-unquote wasted. And it's not wasted, it just doesn't really count in your banks if it goes into your 001. Generally speaking, you're going to want volume in banks beneath your 001 so that you get credit for it in the banks. You can copy your own ID or select that of one of your designated placement individuals and place that volume however you wish. Note that the BV to assign has gone from 63.5 to 0 remaining because I've placed the proper amount. Similarly, we can do the same with our IBV. Actually, I'll put this in the 1 because let's say, for instance, we need this to count for our IBV monthly accrual option. Continue when you're ready. This is your final review screen, so please make sure that the billing address, the ship to address, the volume placement selected, and everything in the cart is exactly as you wish. Select your shipping options, make sure it's what you want for the speed of delivery. You can pay for your order with your VIFT account or use a credit card on file, checking account, Sezzle. There are a lot of different options available. Know that if you use your VIFT account, you will get bonus cash back for doing that. And place your order when you're ready. The next screen will simply be a confirmation of your order being placed.